Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special LCD digital dashboard instrument cluster special for Nissan Porsche Y62 2016 to 2019 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. It's very big box. You can check Nissan Porsche Y62 LCD digital dashboard, 12.3-inch high resolution. It's very big box. Okay, let me unbox the box. Okay, this is GPS and USB cable. This dash kit. Okay, you can check this GPS antenna. It comes with GPS antenna, GPS, and this USB cable, the original USB cable. You can check. Okay, and this frame. Dash kit. This reset hole and microphone. This original danger button. Built in the microphone. Okay. And this screen Linux system. Okay, you can check. Okay, it's a blue screen. And back, you can check this back. It's GPS. And this factory plug. and this is connector adapter. Okay, there's okay, that's all. This plug is plug and play with the factory plugs. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Thank you.